de la coopération au développement culturel. I now have the honor to invite to the stage on behalf of Vietnam His Excellency the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Foreign Affairs of Vietnam.